Hi, this is Steph with Belladonna Dyes. And before I ship out the winter's new Sinew Puller and Caddy, I wanted to take the opportunity to share with you one more time. This is the version in rainbow. And if you want to get yourself one, head over to Jen's Etsy shop. It's Boredom with Jen Shop. And one thing I didn't mention in the last tutorial, they are a standalone item. So if you want this set, make sure you add both of them to your cart. So if you've already purchased the Sinew Puller and didn't know that there was a Caddy available, you can buy the Caddy separately. Or if you don't want a Caddy, you don't have to buy one. But another thing I should also point out, these do not work with Nikolay's Sinew Puller. So you need to have Jen's puller and the Caddy in order to have this system work. And it's extremely user-friendly. All you have to do is put the dowel into the sinew and then wind a little bit on the puller, and with any drill and any drill bit on a slow setting, you can wind up the sinew in less than 2 minutes and be tie-dyeing. There it is. It's just that easy. So if you want to get one for yourself, head over to Etsy, Boredom with Jen Shop. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a thumbs up, and click the bell and set it to all. That way you get notified of future uploads. And remember, have fun tie-dyeing.